Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Chantal and today we're going to be creating this gorgeous peach fuzz look, which is what I like to call it. It's peachy and sparkly and has some nice brown sandy colors in there for a little bit of smoke, I guess you could say. I loved creating this look. I actually tried creating this look a couple days ago and I did the whole face, went through the whole thing, was talking to my camera, and when I pulled my camera off I realized I wasn't even filming. I didn't push record. So I was super bummed about it, threw a little 5-year-old tantrum, and then here we are again today recreating this look. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned so you can see how to do this. So first we need to prep and prime our face. I'm going to use the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And I love this primer. It's really soft and leaves a really nice matte finish. So I'm just going to put that all over my face. This is a new thing that I started doing. I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. And I started doing this because I got the under eye primer and now I'm obsessed and I don't know how I ever went without it. So I'm just going to do a tiny bit. I'm going to put that under each eye. And for my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use the Color Correcting Eyeshadow Locket Primer from Kat Von D, and it's in the shade Fair. This is a new trick I'm trying. I'm going to put the primer on before my foundation. I just saw someone do this and I was like, that's weird, I've never tried that before. And so I'm just going to try it and see what happens. And then for my foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. And this is the shade Classic Ivory. A little bit on my hand. Maybe. It's almost gone. Beauty blender to soften that up. I think I need to clean my foundation brush. No, I just cleaned it a couple days ago. Just leaving some harsh lines. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the eyebrow brush that I have no idea what the name is, but it's real nice. And the NYX eyebrow powder in the shade Brunette. To sharpen those eyebrows up, I'm going to use my e.l.f. concealer and my Stia eyebrow brush. And now I'm going to blend that all in with my flat top concealer brush. Alright guys, so to start off this eyeshadow look, I'm going to use the color Sandy here in my Royal Peach palette as my transition color. And I'm going to use my Kylie Royal Peach brush. And now we're going to take the color Sorbet out of the Kylie Royal Peach palette as well. And that's going to be my lid color. I'm going to bring that up all the way up to my crease. gorgeous. I love the peach sorbet color. It's my favorite color in this palette. Now I'm going to switch over to my Sweet Dreams palette by Too Faced. And this has this really nice top row to make a really pretty like peachy coppery look. So I'm going to steal a couple colors from here. I'm first going to take the color Teddy Bear and my smudge brush. I'm going to smudge that right into my crease and just darken that up a little bit. Now I'm going to take the color Copper Penny out of my Sweet Dreams palette, and I'm going to take my crease brush and I'm going to blend that softly into the outer corner of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take this color Queen Bee right here and also blend that into the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to take my fluffy brush from my Take Me On Vacation palette, and I'm going to take the color here called Peach Fuzz. This is where I got the name from for this look. And I'm just going to like put that all over my inner lid here. It's really going to lighten it up and add some sparkles. I'm also going to go up into my eyebrow with it as well. I'm going to be sharpening that up with the e.l.f. concealer. And then for my under eye concealer, I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade Shell. I'm just going to do a nice line under my eye. My beauty blender's not wet enough, so I'm going to go wet this. Alright, now that my beauty blender is wet, I'm going to blend that in. I need a mirror. It's going to be sketchy business without a mirror. And to set that concealer, I'm going to use the light contour from my Naked Skin Shapeshifter contour kit. And then because I keep forgetting this step in a lot of my videos, which is not a big deal, but I like to set my foundation with a little bit of powder, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Mineral Powder, and this is in the shade Light Ivory. I'm going to blend that all over my face. So now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take this color Sorbet in my Royal Peach palette. I'm going to smoke that out on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the color Sandy and I'm also going to smoke that out. I'm not going to bring it all the way in, but I'm just going to blend that softly into the inner eye. And then I'm going to take my skinny smudge brush and I'm going to take the color right here called Teddy Bear, and I'm going to blend that just into the corner of my eye. So yeah, I'm going to take my Tarte eyeliner. It's the double take eyeliner. It has the felt tip side and the pencil side. I'm doing a wing today, so I'm going to use the felt tip side. And I'm going to do this on camera as long as I can. I'm just kind of in a weird setup right now where I might have to like grab a different mirror. have to fix that. Got the hard eye out of the way. So these eyes look completely different. So that went from being a subtle wing to a very dramatic wing, but that's okay, that's what happens. Sometimes it doesn't go as you plan. So this is the wing we are working with today. And for my lashes, I'm gonna use the Velour Barely There. So the lashes gonna hide that terrible ass wing, but it looks good. It kind of all ties it together. Now I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. And this is my new fave mascara. And I just use the brush to press my real eyelashes into my falsies and just put like a little tiny coat on them as well. And then I do the bottom lashes. For my contour, I'm going to use the bronzer in the Cocoa Face collection. And for my blush, I'm going to use my blush brush from Sonia Kujak and the pink blush in the Cocoa Face collection. And then for my highlight, I'm going to use this gold highlight called Glow Up in the Skinny Dip Duo from Kylie Cosmetics. I'm going to take that same highlight and I'm going to go on the corner of my eye. Just the very corner, I'm not even going to blend it anywhere, just do it right there. And the corner of my eyebrow, this little arc in my eyebrow, just like that very little bit. I'm not going to blend it too far down. I also wanted to highlight my lip just to give that a little bit more of a pout. I'm going to take that color Peach Fuzz again, which is this color here, and I'm just going to blend that down into my bottom corner eye. And then for my lip, I'm going to use the Kylie Lip Kit in the shade Dirty Peach, which is super, super cute. Not an ideal color for every day, but just for fun and just for this look, I'm going to use the Dirty Peach. I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can get a better look at the finished Peach Fuzz look. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look today called Peach Fuzz. I noticed right after I put the lip on, the peach on my eyes just popped right out, and the glitter and the sparkles really tie everything in. And it's just gorgeous, and I hope you guys really like it, and I hope you give it a try. If you did, go ahead and push that like button down at the bottom, and don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I love this look. I love doing this look, and you should definitely give it a try. Thanks again, you guys. Have an awesome week.